And welcome. Today we're going to install Oracle Virtualbox on Mac OS X. So first of all, we'll open up a browser and go to virtualbox.org and look for the download section from there. Click on download. We now have Mac OS X hosts. We'll open that up and allow it to download. It should only take a few minutes to download depending upon your internet speed. Once that's downloaded, we should also download the VirtualBox extension pack. This is important because when you install software on your VirtualBox, it will look for things like USB 2 ports, and the software will actually fail and not run without the extension pack installed. We'll start by opening the VirtualBox file. And then double click on the icon. Once it's opened, continue. And VirtualBox will be installed. Just enter the password. And away we go. Now at this point we'll have to open our security preferences because new software will be blocked. So we come down here and we look for this section here. Okay? Click the padlock to unlock it. Again, we use our password to unlock the panel, and we allow from Oracle the installation of VirtualBox. We can now click the padlock to lock again. We now have to go back and get rid of this and start again. And install the software. This time the software will install perfectly because we've allowed the security exception for VirtualBox to install. Success! We can now get rid of the installation files as we have VirtualBox installed. And next we'll go back to the second file we downloaded, which is the extension pack. And install that. I agree. Once again, put in our password. And successfully install the extension pack. We now have VirtualBox running on the Mac OS X. In the next video, we will install the security version of Kali Linux on VirtualBox.